I wish we had another table. But we're warming up our chicken nuggies and our Big Macs because we didn't get to eat. We had no time on fire. I love this setup. There's Jace. Dude, the nuggies, dude. They're ready.
They're ready?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, we're gonna go and enjoy some food and then maybe chill for a bit. Call it a night.
Brews.
Yep.
Call it a night.
And in the morning, hopefully do some fishing early. Hopefully catch a fish, and then
We're gonna catch a limit, dude.
we could catch a limit. Oh, I see them now. Oh, they're swimming away from us. You're a bunch. Oh yeah, they're filling that whole side over there. That whole side is full of that's ducks galore over here. But to get a shot on one would be pretty hard from that distance. I do have something on here. He's fighting. He's on there. First trizzy, and we forgot to bring the rig. Did he have the thing to bring him to hook him up? Oh, the little string?
Mhm.
Oh, really?